honeybee populations could be wiped out worldwide by wing virus.
Here's a summary of the article.
Professor Dr. Robert Paxton from Martin Luther University Halle-Wittenberg in the German city of Halle, Lower Saxony, warns that the latest variant of the deformed wing virus has the potential to wipe out honeybee populations all over the world. The renowned expert on honeybee and wild bee diseases warned, the deformed wing virus is arguably the biggest threat to honeybees right now. Our lab research has shown that the new, highly contagious variant is killing bees faster. The virus variant, which causes serious damage to the insect's wings before killing them eventually, has been detected by an international group of researchers who have been analyzing virus variants over the past 20 years. The new variant of the virus is spread by Varroa mites, which are widely considered one of the biggest threats to honeybees in the world. The latest research at the MLU has revealed that the new variant has already replaced its predecessor in Europe, and is quickly spreading in other regions. Paxton said the new variant has settled on all continents except Australia. Only 8 surviving species of honeybee are recognized, with a total of 43 subspecies.
This post received a score of 8,300, with an upvote ratio of 95%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
What a time to be alive.
Not for long.
What's time anyways?
A construct.
Made of bees.
You can't be serious.
Honey, if only you knew how serious I am being. I could drone on about bee-based time for so long I might need someone to stick out their neck to stop me bumbling on. They'd probably need to blow an air horn at me or even physically whack some sense into me. Anyway, I gotta fly. I'm just pulling your leg.
Okay, you beat this one to death.
I thought they were being serious.
Just in time for less crops from extreme drought.
The food supply is the weakest link.
The staple crops people eat are wind-pollinated, so assuming total bee death it would just affect a lot of the tasty food that make the staple ones more yummy. Should still be enough food, and hand pollination is an option, although time-consuming and not able to make the same volume. If it truly got bad, they'd shift to using only wind-pollinated or self-pollinating plants and hand pollination for rich people.
Wing virus, bird flu, COVID and monkeypox with a side of famine topped off with a dash of nuclear threats. Sounds about right.
We really do need an update of Billy Joel's song, "We Didn't Start the Fire."
It's called, We Actually Appear to Have Started the Fire, but more money will save us, so coal plants for all.
We did start the fire, but I'll be dead before it's a problem for me, so I don't care.
Breeding hygienic bees that kill mites is the solution to these viruses and die-offs. Supporting treatment-free apiaries is a good step for those who care.
How does a hygienic bee kill mites? I have researched lice on salmon. Optical tracking laser robot is the best solution I have seen so far. But it's a problem of scale. How can the physical body of a bee kill a mite? It doesn't have 2 hard thumbnails like I use for getting rid of fleas from my dog. I sure couldn't crush fleas if I lacked fingernails. Before accusing me of making stuff up, look up flea circus. Crush resistance is present in many micro creatures.
Basically, selecting bees with better social grooming practices and detection and removal of infected larvae. So, selective breeding of bees that overly groom themselves and other bees and chew off the mites they bring in from outside, and selective breeding of bees that are more sensitive to detecting varroa mites hiding inside the capped cells of developing baby bees.
Not trying to downplay the issue, but I am having trouble with the use of the word new here. From the article, this specific variant has been around for 20-ish years. So, maybe a bit sensationalized headline here.
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.